worldwide disasters. Today, we're in Hawaii, so why I have a long sleeve shirt on, I have no idea.
Oh my gosh, is this gonna be on TV?
Yeah, we're kind of in the middle of shot right now.
Oh, well you better watch out. That volcano's about to erupt.
What do you mean it's dormant? That's not gonna explode.
Oh, okay. Bye, Mom.
Well, a dormant volcano is actually a volcano that is just sleeping. Scientists can still expect a dormant volcano to awaken and become active. Anyway, today we have Felipe Gonzalez. Introduce yourself, Felipe.
Well, I'm Felipe Gonzalez, and I'm from the land of Hawaii. And I come to Hawaii from Mexico to raise bananas from their childhood to their adulthood so people can eat them. I brought you some today.
Oh, okay. I don't really like bananas. But when you moved to Hawaii, were you expecting the hazardous volcanoes? Or took that into account while you were moving here?
No,
No?
I just wanted to pursue my dream.
What are some of the hazards of volcanoes? Do you not know? Should I tell you?
Felipe didn't go to school. Felipe wasn't in Mr. Wright's science class.
Did you hear that? It was like a rumbling, something's gonna...
Oh my gosh, the volcano's erupting!
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I don't want it to.
I have to call Georgina.
Hurry! We don't have that much time. Go!
I have to take this. Hello?
Georgina, the volcano's gonna explode.
What?
Dormant volcanoes, you're right, they explode.
Yep.
It's coming!
There's been some breaking news that a volcano has erupted here.
No, my bananas!
Since the volcano is erupting now, some of the hazards are lava flows, avalanches, landslides, ash, cinders, and bombs if the eruption is explosive.
So I'm here in the hospital suffering from my lovely third-degree burns from being hit in the face with lava. And while I've been sitting here bored and suffering, I have researched some things on volcanoes, and I have learned that there is a pocket of magma known as the magma chamber down in the mantle, and there's a pipe that connects the magma chamber, and it goes up through the volcano and up towards the vent, which is the point where the magma leaves the volcano. There's also a crater where it's like a bowl-shaped area that surrounds the vent, and there's also side vents that sometimes magma forces its way through on the side of the volcano.
There are two types of eruptions, quiet and explosive. Explosive eruptions happen from thick lava, which is high in silica, and the magma is trapped under tremendous pressure. When it finally explodes, the lava breaks into ash, cinders, and bombs. This is called pyroclastic flow.
The second type of eruption is a quiet eruption, which has a low content in silica, which makes the lava thin and runny. When it explodes, the lava bubbles out. Two forms of this volcano is Pahoehoe, which is fast moving, and A'a, which is slower.
In Mexico to the land of Hawaii to build bananas.